for my checkup, doctor.
Ball, please.
Good eater. All done?
Nice waves. Catch. Tick, tick. Tick.
Mama.
Ma,
Mama.
mama,
Mama.
mama,
Woo!
mama.
Good. Yeah.
Teddy, you sit here. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Oh no, spilled on my feathers. Sorry. Thank you, little chef. Hey, Teddy, you sit here. Nom nom nom. Oh no, messy me. Sorry.
What's this? It's magic.
Let's dip your finger. There you go.
Ooh, nice leaves. Da-da-da-da. Beautiful. Tree friends.
There goes here. Nice peel. Put any place you like. And boop. Shirt star. Heart for me. Okay. Oh, stuck. Help. Got loose.
Okay, let's here. Wait in the wall. Yes, just like that. Perfect. This one for sitting. And door time. Ready? Build attack. Let's build cozy time.
Flat. Nice and flat. Little bird, baby bird, mama bird. Snake.
First, we connect this one, then this one. Now it's a tower. Whoa! Let's build it stronger. Door here, window there, roof on top.
And go! All out of energy.
Let's do the frog.
Ready? Watch the frog go hop, hop, hop. No more jump juice. Zoom, fast as...
Once upon a time, there was a little bird who loved to make new friends. He chirped hello to everyone he met, even the shy squirrel in the big tree. And soon they were all...
Oh, you sweet one. Bird says hi.
Happy birthday, dear Lila.
Wow, sparkle. See how the little lights dance? Like a tiny snowstorm. All safe. Here, you try. Good shake. Now this one. Watch the light go round and round. Clever little beam maker.
Your turn. Woohoo!
What did I get for you today? A banana? Beep. The bananas are very fresh today. Do we need apples? Yes. Beep, beep. Open cereal starter. Press this one. All set.
Ready? Good throw. Here he comes. Give it another go. Nice throw.
Good morning, sleepyhead.
Night night.
Night night.
Sweet dreams, precious one.
Sweet dreams.
I love you.
I love you.
Ready for our camping adventure?
Uh-huh.
Then into the tent we go. Hear that? Our cozy campfire.
Crackle.
Perfect. Now stories of the forest,
Owl.
foxes,
Crunch.
maybe even a shy deer.
This is a stone. It's smooth.
Ooh.
This is a pine cone. It's bumpy. This is a leaf. It's crunchy. Birds have feathers just like me. Stone pile.
Square goes in square hole. Triangle. Well done.
Yay!
Who's hiding behind the door? Let's lift and see. Cat. Hello, kitty.
What sound does the doggy make?
Arf, arf. Smart hatchling. Puppy. Yes.
Come on, you can do it. Almost there. That's it. Keep coming. One more step. Ah, you did it. So proud of you. That's it.